Making a CRM or client relationships manager in N8n is extremely easy. Now, it might not have all the bells and whistles of some pre-made software from a company that does CRM, but it is still easy nonetheless. Now, there are there to demonstrate how easy it is to make a CRM. This is all you need. It collects data and it organizes and stores the data collected. So, I will be explaining how it works, how you could maybe make it even more complex if you really want to, but it is really simple and you don't need any fancy bells and whistles. First thing is data collection. Now you could do this using anything from a webhook from a specific service. You could collect from emails. You could collect from anything, a Google form. Google Forms do automatically save to Google Sheets, so it will be unless you make two sheets, you will have to do a few extra steps. Now I chose form submission. Then it gets the data from the form and uses the email to check if there is already an existing email in the in the um in the sheet. If there is, there will be a value. So if there is an email, then it will not be empty, and if there isn't an email, then it will be empty. So if it's empty, there isn't an email, so we just add a new row. And if it's not empty, so there is already an existing email with the same email is already existing, then you just update that row. Now, this is simple. You just run, you hit form, paste in the form, and you can just write anything, just uh and then notes could be what you're selling, could be, but it's just a normal form collection. So let's just say when you submit, it takes in the information and adds it to the row, which you can then check at a later date. So it is super simple. One way you could improve it is maybe notifications, reminders, maybe a collection system, but this is basic and it works. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.